Welcome to physics class. Now I am going to start the first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces in the 10th class. In this chapter, the topics are reflection of light, concave mirror, convex mirror, how to draw the concave mirror and convex mirror by using ray diagrams. Rules for ray diagrams, all cases of concave mirror, special case of convex mirror, rules for sign convention, problems. These are the major topics in this chapter. And the keywords, according to CC pattern, compulsory we have keywords also. So the keywords in this chapter are pole, center of curvature, focus, focal length, radius of curvature, real image, virtual image, object distance, image distance, height of object, height of image, magnification. These are the keywords in this chapter. Okay. So before going to start the first topic, that is concave mirror and convex mirror, it is very important to know about laws of reflection. Already given in the 8th class, the chapter name is reflection of light at plane surfaces. Nothing but about only plane mirror. In 10th class, we have only concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, so compulsory. It is compulsory to know what are the laws of reflection. Okay, dear students, please focus on subject and concentrate when I am explaining. You should try to keep in your mind and you should try to fix in your mind the concept. Okay, so here laws of reflection. So laws of reflection, this is very important and a starting concept in this chapter. So here this is a plane mirror. See here, this is nothing but plane mirror. Plane mirror, and you take a IR means the light ray is incident here. The light ray is incident on the mirror, and this is normal. This is a normal. And when the light ray is incident on the plane mirror, then what happens again? The light ray will be reflected like this. This is called RR, reflected ray. So I will shortcut. Okay, reflected ray, incident ray, now. Okay, very clear. Incident ray, normal, reflected. This is plane mirror. You take any mirror, laws are compulsory. Okay, so plane mirror, mirror, incident ray, normal, reflected ray. So now we can discuss laws. First law is, here is the I is the angle of incidence, small r is the angle of reflection. Keep in your mind, I is the angle of incidence, r is the angle of reflection. Incident ray, I am repeating number of times because you should try to fix your mind. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, mirror. The first law is very simple. See here, I equal R. Simple I equal R. What is the angle of incidence or angle of reflection? What is the meaning here? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That's all. If suppose I is 30 degrees, R is 30 degrees. Very simple. So angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That's all. First law. Second law is very simple. Second law, what is second law? IR, incident ray, normal, reflected ray, all lie in the same. Once again, incident ray, IR, normal, comma, RR. Reflected ray, incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. All lie in the same plane. The same plane. Okay. So all lie in the same plane. So these are the laws of reflection. Very simple. Very simple. Once again, first law is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Second one, incident ray, normal, reflected ray, all lie in the same. Okay, dear students, these are the laws of reflection. Okay, now coming to our syllabus. Actually, this is also important. So coming to now actual syllabus, 10th class syllabus, we have concave mirror and convex mirror. See here, this is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Concave mirror, convex mirror. So every mirror has here two surfaces. Plane mirror, two sides are plane, but here curved surfaces. So here this is called concave mirror. Means here every mirror has two surfaces, inner surface and outer surface. Inner surface acts as a reflecting surface. See, outer surface is silvered. There is no chance for reflection. Only this side there is chance for reflection. Okay, this is concave mirror. Similarly, this is convex mirror. See here, this is inner side, this is outer side. Inner side, outer. Here outer side acts as a reflecting surface. In the case of convex mirror, outer side or outer surface acts as a reflecting surface. But inner side, there is no chance for reflection here. Okay, so concave mirror, convex mirror. This mirror is known as converging mirror. This mirror is known as diverging mirror. Okay, concave mirror is known as converging mirror. Converging, diverging. What is the meaning of converging, diverging? Converging means here all right rays meet a point. That is called convergence. Divergence means all rays appear coming from a point. That is called divergence. Okay, once again I will show the diagram as well. When now next to the topic, drawing of the mirrors only. Then I will explain very clearly about what is convergence, what is divergence. Okay, so concave mirror, convex. Now, so now I will draw the diagrams, concave mirror and convex mirror by using ray diagrams, light rays. So now we can start one again. Here first of all, we should every mirror there are some parts. I would like to that keywords here. Some important definitions are there. Pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, focus, focal length, like this here. So I will draw the diagrams here. First of generally here you take this is a concave mirror. Every mirror has principal axis. This is called principal axis. Here we have P. P means pole, and this is nothing but you take C. C is the center of curvature, and you exact between P and C. You take one more point, that is F. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Anyway, same. Next convex also same. Pole, focus, center of curvature. First of all, we can discuss this. Next, we can discuss convex. So this is a body here. Concave mirror. Okay. concave mirror. So you see here, this is focus, center of curvature, pole. Now this inner surface, outer surface, it acts as a what here? Reflecting surface. Right? Now suppose assume light rays are coming here. Assume light rays are coming like this here. So like this here. See symbol, you see here, this is arrow. Okay. See arrows here. Light rays. How many? One ray is coming along this black stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are light rays. Incident on mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what happens here? Again they will be reflected back. They will be reflected. See how this here. See here. Incident ray. Reflected. 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 So see the arrow I am showing. This also same along the principal axis. The light ray will come back side along the same line. What is this? Instead reflected like this. Only along principal axis. Okay. So here how many rays? First ray incident. This is the blue color shows here incident ray. Black shows here reflected ray. So incident ray, reflected ray. Same incident ray, reflected ray. Incident reflected. Incident ray. Next what happens here? One more. Incident ray, reflected ray. Incident reflected. See here. So reflected. All after reflection, all light rays meet a point. This point is called here focus. Okay. P is the pole. Pole is nothing but the midpoint of mirror. You can say simply we can say midpoint of mirror is called pole. And C is the center of curvature. F is the focus. Focus. Other name is focal point. Other name is C is the center of curvature. Now already I told you laws of reflection. Normal is always between incident ray and reflected ray. So then what happens here? So this compulsory one normals here. See. So these are the normals. Red color shows here normal. So normals meet a point. All normals also meet a point. This point is called center of curvature. Nothing but the convergence. So this is nothing but convergence. Because here also light rays meet a point, that focus. And here also normals meet a point, that is center of curvature. So this is called what here? Converging. So we can say the concave mirror is called converging mirror. Okay? Yes, students, clear? So instant ray, reflected ray, normal. Like laws of reflection. Instant ray, reflected ray and normal. Instant ray, reflected ray and normal. So normal is always, it should be between instant ray and normal. Instant ray, reflected ray. Okay? Yes, students, this is about the concave. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Be careful. Pole, focus, center of curvature. P, pole. F, capital F. This is capital F, not small f. Capital F. C, center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. This mirror is known as converging mirror. Next, we can discuss the diverging mirror. That is convex mirror. Okay. Okay. Now continue. We can continue.